Looking for an all-inclusive escape in Cabo San Lucas that delivers luxury without the stuffiness? Let me tell you about Dreams Los Cabos Suites Golf Resort and Spa, a beachfront paradise that has been welcoming guests since 2009. This place sits right on Medano Beach, one of the few swimmable beaches in Cabo, and it is part of the Hyatt portfolio under the Dreams Resorts brand. What makes this resort special is its unlimited luxury concept, which means pretty much everything is included in your stay. We are talking about gourmet meals at 7 different restaurants, premium drinks flowing freely at 4 bars, 24-hour room service whenever you get those midnight cravings, and a whole bunch of activities that will keep everyone in your group entertained. The resort underwent major renovations in 2022 and 2023, refreshing the suites, spa, and public areas with new flooring, furniture, and technology upgrades. With 325 suites spread across the property, this place manages to feel both spacious and intimate at the same time. It holds a solid 4.5-star rating across multiple platforms, with guests consistently praising the beachfront location, friendly staff, and the sheer variety of dining options. The resort caters to families, couples, and groups of friends looking for that perfect balance between relaxation and entertainment. Average nightly rates typically run between $400 and $800 depending on the season, which includes absolutely everything from meals to activities to entertainment. Winter months command higher prices as everyone flocks to escape the cold, while summer offers better deals for those who do not mind a bit of heat. Now let us talk about where you will actually be sleeping, because Dreams Los Cabos takes accommodations seriously. Every single room here is a suite, which means you are getting way more space than your typical hotel room. The entry-level option is the Junior Suite, clocking in at a generous 56 square meters or about 603 square feet. These suites come with either a king bed or 2 doubles, a separate living area where you can actually spread out, and a furnished balcony perfect for morning coffee or evening cocktails. Inside you will find a minibar that gets restocked daily with snacks and drinks, a coffee maker for those who need their caffeine fix before facing the world, a smart television with streaming capabilities, a safe for your valuables, complimentary Wi-Fi that works reasonably well in most areas, plush robes and slippers, and that 24-hour room service I mentioned earlier. One of the coolest features is the hydro massage tub, perfect for soaking after a long day of activities. Some junior suites even offer swim-out access, meaning you can literally step from your patio directly into a pool. These rooms can accommodate up to 4 people, making them ideal for families with a couple of kids. Views vary from ocean to pool to garden, and honestly, even the garden views are pretty nice with all the tropical landscaping. If you want a bit more ocean in your life, upgrade to the Ocean View Suite, which keeps the same 56 square meter footprint but gives you a larger balcony and better positioning for those stunning Pacific views. These suites add little touches like a pillow menu so you can customize your sleeping experience and aromatherapy options to help you unwind. Now, if you really want to treat yourself, check out the Preferred Club Junior Suite. Same size as the regular Junior Suite, but you get access to the exclusive Preferred Club Lounge with its own concierge private check-in so you skip the main desk chaos, continental breakfast served in the lounge, and a premium minibar stocked with top-shelf liquor and gourmet snacks. The hydrotherapy tub in these rooms is a step up from the standard hydromassage version. For families or groups who need even more space, the Preferred Club Master Suite is where it is at. This beast measures 103 square meters or over 1,100 square feet, featuring a separate living room and dining area, 2 balconies so everyone can have their own outdoor space, a microwave for reheating leftovers or making popcorn, upgraded linens that feel like sleeping on clouds, and an espresso machine for the coffee snobs in your group. These suites can sleep up to 6 people comfortably, and some even come with rooftop terrace options. The official photos show bright, airy spaces decorated in tropical style with white linens, blue accents that mirror the ocean, and those panoramic balconies that make you want to never leave. Guest photos on review sites show the reality is pretty close to the marketing materials, though some mention occasional wear and tear in older suites. The 2022 and 2023 renovations addressed many of these issues, so if you book a recently updated suite, you are in for a treat. Prices for junior suites start around $400 to $500 per night during the summer low season and jump to $600 to $750 during peak winter months. Ocean View suites run $50 to $100 more, while Preferred Club Junior suites will set you back $500 to $600 in summer and $700 to $900 in winter. The Master Suites start at $700 to $900 in low season and can exceed $1,000 per night when demand is high, but remember that is all-inclusive for up to 6 people, so when you break it down per person it actually represents decent value. Food is a huge part of any all-inclusive experience, and Dreams Los Cabos delivers with 7 restaurants and 4 bars spread across the property. The main dining hub is World Cafe, a massive buffet restaurant that seats over 300 people and serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner from 7 in the morning until 11 at night. This is your go-to spot for variety, with live omelet stations at breakfast, build-your-own taco bars featuring authentic Mexican preparations, and themed dinner nights that rotate through Italian, Asian, and other international cuisines. The seafood nights are particularly popular, with fresh catches prepared multiple ways. Since it is a buffet, there are no reservations needed and the dress code is casual, so you can roll in straight from the beach if you want. For something more refined, Himitsu serves up Asian fusion with a focus on sushi and Japanese preparations. The sushi rolls are creative and fresh. The teppanyaki stations provide some dinner theater as chefs flip and sizzle your meal right in front of you, and the ramen is surprisingly authentic for a resort setting. Himitsu is open for dinner only from 6 until 11, seats about 80 guests, and operates on a smart casual dress code, so maybe leave the flip-flops in your room. They even offer sushi-making classes if you want to learn some skills to impress folks back home. Portofino brings Italian classics to the table with house-made pastas, wood-fired pizzas that rival what you would find in a standalone Italian restaurant, and a tiramisu that guests rave about in reviews. This spot also does dinner service from 6 to 11, accommodates about 100 diners, and occasionally hosts wine tastings where you can sample different varietals paired with small plates. El Patio is where you go for authentic Mexican cuisine, featuring tacos al pastor with meat carved right off the spit, rich mole sauces that take hours to prepare, and margaritas that pack a punch. Live mariachi bands perform regularly, adding to the festive atmosphere. The dress code here is casual, and it seats about 90 people for dinner service. Oceana specializes in seafood with a beachfront location that lets you dine with your toes in the sand. Ceviche made with the day's catch, grilled lobster that is cooked to perfection, and whole fish preparations are menu highlights. This restaurant serves both lunch from 11 to 5 and dinner from 6 to 11, accommodating about 120 guests. They also host beach barbecues with special setups right on the sand. As for bars, the Unlimited Lounge serves as a central gathering spot with craft cocktails and a relaxed vibe, while the beach bar keeps the drinks flowing poolside and beachside from 10 in the morning until 1 in the morning. Swim-up bar service means you never have to leave the water to refresh your drink. The variety here is genuinely impressive, and the fact that everything is included means you can try different restaurants each night without worrying about the bill. Some guests note that the specialty restaurants can get busy during peak season, so it helps to make reservations early in the day, even though they are not technically required except for dinner at the upscale spots. The pool situation at Dreams Los Cabos deserves its own spotlight because there are 3 distinct options catering to different vibes. The Infinity Adults-Only Pool is temperature-controlled and ranges from 1.2 to 1.5 meters deep, offering a serene escape with stunning ocean views that seem to blend right into the horizon. This is where couples and solo travelers come to read a book, sip a cocktail, and enjoy some peace without beach balls flying overhead. The family pool is where the action happens, complete with water slides that kids go crazy for and a shallow section designed specifically for little ones who are still getting comfortable in the water. There is a dedicated kids splash zone with fountains and sprayers that provide endless entertainment. The third option is a quiet pool that splits the difference, welcoming everyone but maintaining a more relaxed atmosphere than the family pool. All 3 pools feature swim-up bars where you can order drinks without leaving the water, available cabanas for rent if you want some shade and privacy, and heating during the cooler winter months so the water stays comfortable year-round. Pool hours run from 7 in the morning until 11 at night throughout the year. Towel service is complimentary, and waiters circulate constantly taking drink and snack orders. The pools are well maintained with crystal clear water, though some reviews mention they can get crowded during peak times, especially the family pool when school holidays bring in more guests. As for the beach, Dreams Los Cabos sits on Medano Beach, which is one of the few swimmable beaches in the Cabo area since many others have dangerous undertows. The resort claims over 500 meters of beach frontage with soft white sand that stays relatively cool even in the hot sun. The waters here are calm enough for swimming, and the resort provides complimentary kayaks and paddleboards for guests who want to explore beyond the swimming area. Snorkeling gear is available for a small fee, and there are some decent spots to see fish right off the beach. Beach waiters work the sand taking orders so you can stay planted in your lounger all day if that is your style. Palapas provide natural shade, though these operate on a first-come, first-served basis, so if you want prime positioning, stake your claim early. Lifeguards are on duty during daylight hours, adding an extra layer of safety, especially for families with kids. The beach scene here is lively but not overwhelming, with vendors occasionally walking by but not being too pushy. Some guests mention you can hear music from nearby beach clubs and the marina area, which adds to the festive Cabo atmosphere but might bother light sleepers in beachfront rooms. When it comes to staying active, Dreams Los Cabos offers plenty of options beyond just lounging by the pool. The fitness center is well equipped with treadmills, stationary bikes, free weights, yoga mats, TRX suspension trainers, and other modern equipment. It is open from 6 in the morning until 9 at night, giving early birds and night owls both a chance to work out. The resort also offers daily fitness classes including yoga sessions, aqua aerobics in the pool, and spin classes, all included in your stay. The schedule rotates, so there is usually something happening multiple times per day. One of the unique perks here is the complimentary access to an 18-hole championship golf course located nearby. Guests get free greens fees, which is a significant perk considering what golf typically costs in Cabo. The resort provides a complimentary shuttle to the course, which is about 2 kilometers away at Cabo del Sol. Water sports are available on the beach with the free kayaks and paddleboards I mentioned, plus you can book additional activities like jet skiing, parasailing, and boat tours through the concierge. The resort organizes catamaran excursions to Lovers Beach and the famous Arch Rock Formation, which is about 18 kilometers away. These tours typically cost around $80 and provide a fantastic way to see the iconic Cabo landmarks. Snorkeling trips to better reefs further out are also available. For those who prefer land-based activities, there are beach volleyball courts, and the activities team organizes games and tournaments throughout the week. Evening entertainment includes nightly shows in the theater featuring live bands, fire dancers, Mexican folklore performances, and tribute acts. The shows start around 8 in the evening and provide quality entertainment without feeling cheesy or forced. Pool parties happen regularly with DJs spinning music and the activities team getting everyone involved in games and dancing. The Explorers Club for kids aged 3 to 12 offers supervised activities from 9 in the morning until 10 at night, giving parents some freedom to enjoy adult activities knowing their children are being entertained and looked after. The club features arts and crafts, movies, games, and educational activities about local culture and nature. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.